beautiful beauty. Welcome to my YouTube channel. New videos every week. Subscribe! Hi guys, come and see my makeup bag from Santa. This is a car key from Santa. This is sparkle. This is a brush from Santa and it's something to put on your cheeks. This is stuff to put on your eyes. This is nail polish to put on your hands. This is another nail polish to put on your hands. This is some more lipstick. Lipstick to put on your lips. Good job! This is some more sparkles. This is for your cheeks. This is a mirror. Wait, it's actually lighting.
Wow! Beautiful!
This is stuff for your nails to use to sharpen stuff.
What is your favorite among all the items?
I love this and this, and I love this, and I love these, and I love this, and I love this.
What are your two favorite items?
Two favorites, but I can still keep them. No, 5. Because I'm 5 for Dash. I want this, of course, and sparkles, lipstick, and a mirror, eyeshadow. I make this, 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 and this. I love everything. And see you next time. Thank you for watching.